Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Carrie Rodriguez and today I have, what's your name?
Layton.
Layton. Layton, how old are you? But nobody can see that. Can you say the number? How old are you? How many is that?
12.
12. Whew, no girl, you're only 2. So what are we going to make, Layton?
Video.
We're going to make a video?
Yes.
All right. Well, let's get a paper.
Hi. I'm Layton.
Hi, Layton.
Hi, Mom.
Okay.
I'm Layton.
Yes, you are Layton. Okay, here's your stuff. Here's your glue. And here's your stickers. There you go. What are you going to glue there? Let's cut some stars. You want a star?
Yes.
All right. Here's a star for you. You're going to put it on your paper?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and put it on your paper. And me too. I'm going to put a star in my paper too.
Me too.
Yeah. You like to make stuff with Mommy?
Yes.
Yes?
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Sure.
Oh, you're putting glue on your star?
Yeah.
Good job.
Here.
Let me get,
This is Terry Rodriguez.
yeah,
I'm Layton.
Carrie Rodriguez, and you're Layton. You're so smart.
This is my plan horse. Look.
You have to put it over here. Here's a butterfly. You're going to glue it?
Yeah.
Okay, me too. I'm going to put a butterfly.
Me too.
And how are you today?
Good.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Do you feel sleepy?
No. I feel good.
You feel good?
Yes.
Me too.
Me too.
And what did you do today?
I went to James play bye-bye.
You went to the volleyball game with Mommy?
Yep.
Woohoo!
Hi. This is Terry Rodriguez. I'm Layton.
Carrie Rodriguez. Yep. Good job.
This is Daddy and Maddie and Tay-Tay.
And Tay-Tay. Yep. Those are your
And
sisters? And that's your sisters?
Yep.
Yep. All right. Me too. I'm going to put some glue. You're putting all of those heart stickers? You got them all?
Yep.
Okay.
I handle it.
You handled it?
Yep.
All right. So now you're going to put a sticker?
Yep.
All right.
I want more stickers.
Okay, right here. There's 2 right here. And here's the circle. You can glue the circle on.
Oh.
And there's some tape right here.
Sure.
See, look, you take the tape off. You take the tape off like that and you put it on.
Mom, more stickers.
You like to use stickers, don't you? Here, hearts.
Ooh, it's hot.
I'm going to put this one on my paper.
I'm going to put on my paper.
And so what do you want to do today? What are you going to do?
And try to get it off.
Mm-hmm.
And you push it.
Mm-hmm. Is that what you do with the stickers?
Yep. I'm making video, Maddie. Try it.
She's making a video, Maddie. You have to be quiet. Shh. Right?
You see the try. I'm making video.
Yes, we are.
Let's do it.
All right, here's the butterfly. Put it on your paper with your glue. Do you like to glue and put stickers? Yeah?
Yes.
It's your favorite? Okay, Maddie's gonna be quiet. Just do your glue. You're making it so pretty. I like it.
But thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
But thanks.
You're welcome. Is that a new word you learned? But?
But
Yeah.
My toys.
But your toys?
Yeah, but Peppa.
Peppa?
Yeah,
You like Peppa?
yeah.
Who's your
Peppa
favorite?
Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Dumps and mother. Say hot and hot. Hot.
Yeah, good job.
Listen.
Should we cut some paper?
I want some paper.
Here you go. Cut this one.
Yes.
Good job. Now you're going to glue that big paper?
Yes.
What's your favorite?
Peppa, my favorite.
Peppa's your favorite.
Yeah.
Here's another sticker.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. And you want to put some tape?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't glue this one down. Here, put the sticker right here. Here, put your sticker on. And I'll cut your paper a little bit. Should we do a star? You want to
Yeah.
do a star? Okay, me too.
Me too. But I want to do paper. I want to do paper video.
Everybody does paper with videos,
Yeah, but there's a sleep.
but they go to sleep.
But yes, there's
Oh.
a video. There's a bike. There's a torture. There's sleeping house.
Say what?
Sleeping house.
Oh, okay.
To turn the lights and bring food.
And bring food.
Lions,
Mm-hmm.
pigs.
Pigs. Here, look, I brought some tape for you. Are you going to put it on your paper?
Oh, these Mom.
You're welcome. And you can put these on there too. Look, there's a
Mommy,
circle.
too. Turn the light.
Turn the light.
Mom, turn the light.
Uh-huh.
Zebra, turn the light. Just go.
Yeah. Do you know who the first president of the United States is?
Yeah.
Who is it?
George Washington.
Good job. You're so smart.
But I made the video.
You're making a video right now?
Yeah.
And what are you doing in your video? Why don't you stop putting glue and put that star on your paper already? There you go.
This one?
That one too. Put your glue right here. Look, hold it here with your finger and put your glue. There you go.
I'm done.
You're done? Aren't you going to put the tape? Look, I put tape right here for you. Put it right here. Oh, there you go. One on top of the other. What is that?
It's a birthday.
Good job. What color is it? Shh, Didi, we're making a video. Alexis. Yeah, Alexis, we're making a video.
Sorry, it's because I'm trying to.
Don't.
All right. Okay, put your tape right here. This one.
Okay, Mom.
I like your paper. You did such a good job.
But these are
You're welcome. And you're going to put it right here and put the glue. Put it right here. Hold it with your finger. There you go. I'm finished. I like mine. Do you like mine?
yeah.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You need short. You need short.
I need what?
You need short.
Where?
And here and here and here and here and here.
I need something right there in all those places?
Yes.
It's okay like this?
Now use some tape.
Put some tape. Okay, I have some tape right here. Put this one
Okay.
with flowers?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want some tape too?
Sure.
Okay. A little piece?
Sure.
All right. Here you go.
I'm done right now.
Okay.
I'm done right now.
There you go. Good job. Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, this is mine. Let me see yours. Let me see. Ooh, Layton did such a pretty job.
But I need some tape.
Some more tape. Oh, more tape. Okay. This
Oh
one?
God. Oh my God. Yes.
Okay. And then you're done?
No.
And
I'm
what?
not
You're
done.
not? Here. There you go. Ooh, now it looks beautiful. Now we're done.
Now we're done.
Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
And what else do you say?
Ah! It's on glue.
Here, the glue is right here.
Oh my gosh, no.
Put it down on the table and put the glue like this. There.
Yeah, now we fix it.
Now we fix it. See? All right, let's see.
Yes.
Do you like it? You did such a good job.
Mom, I like this one.
Yeah, I know. Okay, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching my video.
Did you watch my video?
We do another video again tomorrow?
Yeah.
Are you going to go show that to Daddy?
Yes.
Okay, go show Daddy. Say bye.
Bye, videos. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye, thank you for watching. Come on, Mom. Let's go, Daddy.
Okay, let's go show Daddy. Bye, everybody.